Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed YouTube video and also resize the video in a WordPress site. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use. Then simply open up the browser and type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, and it will simply take you to the WordPress login page. And there you have to simply put in your login credentials. And after that, when you are here, you will get this dashboard option, and from here you have to just simply click on the edit site option from the right hand side quick link section. And after that, it will simply take you to this site like this. For me, this is a test website I have made. Then what I need to do is simply go to the plus icon from the top navigation bar. Here you can see with blue colored plus icon. You have to simply click on it, and after that it will simply give you the search option, and here you have to simply type in YouTube embed from here. And once you type in the YouTube embed, here we'll get the option of YouTube embed, and here you can see the YouTube embed is showing. You have to just simply click on it and drag it to the website that you would like to place. And after that, here you can see that the YouTube embed URL is already placed. Now here you have to simply input your URL, and then you have to simply click on embed option here, and you can just keep any kind of YouTube link to here now. So let me show you some. Here you can see you have already pasted a YouTube URL. Now you have to just simply click on embed option like this, and once you click on the embed option, after that here you can see that the video is already placed here and embedded with your website. Now you can also just resize it by clicking on the here. Here you can see that resize for smaller device. You just simply click on it and it will simply resize for smaller device. And if you would like to resize it more precisely or more customizedly, then what you need to do is go to the circle icon here, and here you can see by decreasing the margin, the video is already get smaller like that, and you can also increase the margin to make it larger. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.